Let's add custom block drops to Minecraft. Hello, today we will be adding custom block drops to Minecraft. So now, let's go into our resources, data, tutorial mod, and let's create a new folder. Let's title this folder Loot Tables. Then we'll create a new folder called Blocks, and we will paste this tin block. Tutorial mod tin block. This is all in my GitHub repository, which is linked in the description below so that you can paste it. These are the conditions, which this basically makes it so that it drops when an explosion happens. These are bonus rolls so that more items can drop on a chance. 0 is 0%, 1 is 100%. And in here, that is just what drops, so a type of an item with the name of tutorial mod tin block. So now, let's see if it works. So now, let's get a pickaxe, go into survival mode, and see if it works. Wait, why does it break instantly, and why doesn't it drop stuff? Let's fix that. Okay, so now we are back in IntelliJ. Let's go into resources, data, and create a new folder. Let's call this folder Minecraft. In Minecraft, we'll create a new folder called tags. In that, we'll create a new folder called blocks. In that, we'll create a new folder called mineable. And in that, we will create a new file called pickaxe.json. And we will paste this in. This is just a default tag. Make sure you have this on false, because if it is on true, only the values that you specify in here will be mineable via a pickaxe. And so now type in tutorial mod tin block. That way it drops when you mine it with a pickaxe. Then in the block class, let's set dot strength 3 or 4. 3 is the strength of stone. And strength specifies the blast resistance and how long it takes to mine. So now let's place this tin block down. Mine it with a diamond pickaxe. There we go, it works. But let's try with a wood pickaxe. Sorry, I'm still in creative mode. Let's try with wood pickaxe. That still works. So how do we make it mine with only an iron pickaxe or above? Let's find out. In the block folder, let's create a new file. Needs iron tool.json. And paste that in. And type in tutorial mod tin block. There, that works. Oh, and by the way, you can make this axe or shovel or anything you want, or any type of tool here to make it be mineable by any type of tool. Here, this can be needs stone, or needs iron, or needs diamond, or needs netherite tool. So now, let's test it out. Let's mine this with a wooden pickaxe. See, it's also taking longer this time. And oh no, it didn't drop. But now, let's use a stone and an iron pickaxe. See if those work. Oh yeah, I'm still in creative mode. There. Stone, it's also taking a while. Now let's try with iron. With iron, it's faster and it actually drops. And any tier above iron, like diamond or netherite, works as well. Perfect. We have added custom block drops to Minecraft.